This is a super cute and cozy kids hoodie and pants set we were sent a review from Karin. My daughter is loving it. I love it too. So let's take a closer look. Do note I did not say sweatpants set because this is not a true sweatpant material. It's much thinner. It's more like a t-shirt material than a sweatshirt, but it looks like a sweatshirt, so it's a little confusing. It's much more of a year-round kind of athleisure wear outfit. We ordered the size 8 to 10 for my 9-year-old. The tags do say 10, and they fit her perfectly, so I'd say order true to size. Made of 95% polyester, 5% elastane, which makes them a bit stretchy, but not super stretchy. I love the really, really stretchy elastic waist. They do have pockets on both of the sides. A really nice big hood, looks cute on and off. There's nice matching ribbed cuffs around the wrists, the waist, and the ankles. Another thing to note is that this is much more of a pink than the product page picture, which looks more like a mauve almost. This is like a true hot pink. Really cute. We absolutely love this. It is so cute and comfy, great for around the house, for school, for travel, for overnight flights, you name it. We love Karin, we love this outfit, and we know you will too.